Hey guys, Tubers and Tubettes, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna make you some banging fresh lemonade. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe to my channel. And now here we go with the fresh lemonade. And I'm also going to review the homemade citrus juicer. The model number is HOM218882, okay? There you go. And it's made in China and it's 30 watts, so this is good for making lemonade and fresh OJ. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go make it now. You ready, guys? Okay, here we go, guys. Tubers and Tubettes. Okay. Okay, here we go. So before we begin, I gotta get out the lemons. Let me get the lemons out, okay? So this has a two-step process. You have to open it like that to get the pulp. Close it for no pulp. I like it open with the pulp. Okay. Okay, so we got everything ready, and that's about it. I got a 1-year warranty on this, so this bad boy is ready to go. Now I gotta cut me some fresh lemons. So let me get the board out. I got 4 lemons here, as you can see. I got 4 lemons, so these are fresh lemons, as you can see. 4 lemons will cost you 70 baht, okay? I'm gonna try to make my lemonade with no sugar, but you can put sugar in yours if you want it, okay? Okay. So 3 to 4 lemons should be fine, and you can also, you can do it, don't forget you need 1 cup of water and put some ice in there as well, okay? Because you want it nice and cold. I gotta cut my lemons first, so just give me a second. Okay. Alright, here I go, guys. Okay. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna cut some lemons. I'll just cut it as so for, yeah, like that. Okay. Half is fine. That should give me 8 pieces. Okay. And, I need 1 cup of water. And then the ice. Okay, okay, so here I go. Okay. Now the reason I'm making it at home is because not a lot of places sell this, so I have to make it by myself, because if I do make it, I probably make it like once a week or something like that. Okay. Okay, the lemons are cut. Now what I'm gonna do is plug this bad boy in, and that's it. I'm gonna get the day started now. So just let me unplug this here. I'm gonna rinse it off because there might be a little dust in there, okay? And that's about it, Tubers and Tubettes. Let's see how this episode is going to be. Let me rinse this off, though. It could be a little bit dusty. Okay, let me rinse this off. Okay. Okay. And this too. Okay. And that's about it. Yeah, okay. This is ready to go. So, are you ready? Okay. Okay, it's automatic. Are you ready, guys? Okay. that's one finished. I'm gonna do another one now. There's 8 to go, okay? Okay, that's another one finished. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay, that's the third one. This is the fourth one. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is the fifth one. So far I got almost filled. Okay. Okay, let's go to the sixth one. Almost finished. Okay, this is the seventh one, almost finished. and the last one. Okay, you ready? And there we go, guys. Finished already. Okay, so there's your fresh lemonade. Now what I'm gonna do is, I gotta get 1 cup of ice cold water and put this in a cup, okay? So let me get a little spoon here. A little spoon. There it is. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is putting the pulp here. Okay. And let me pour the lemonade. There you go. That's it right there. So I'm just going to pour that in a glass. And presto, fresh lemonade. Now I need to put the ice in there. I got to put ice and some water. So ice, I like putting 4 cubes of ice in your lemonade. Don't forget you need 4 cubes is enough. 2, 3, 4. And 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. So you gotta, make sure you get a little water in there. Okay. Okay, 1 cup of water, and that's it. Okay. Let me see how this tastes now with and without water. Hold on. That's amazing. And there you go. Fresh lemonade. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator now. And that's it, boys and girls. I'll see you in the next episode. Hope you enjoyed my video of making fresh lemonade. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye.